Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. My name's Jennifer and this is
Ashlynn.
And today we are here because we're going to be unboxing Ashlynn's Stitch Fix box for the month of August. This is going to be her back to school fix. So real quick, for those of you who don't know, Stitch Fix is an online personal styling service. They have boxes for men, women, children, and even maternity boxes. The only difference between adult boxes and children's boxes is that adults get 5 items and children get 10 items. And so whenever you want to have a box styled for you, you're going to pay a $20 styling fee. You're going to fill out your style profile to give your measurements and your likes and your dislikes about fashion. And then the stylist is going to choose some items to send to you in your box. Those items are going to get shipped to you for free, and you're going to try them on in the comfort of your own home, and you'll decide what you like and what you don't like. If you keep at least one item from your box, then that $20 styling fee gets applied to whatever you're keeping. And if you keep all the items in your box, you get a 25% discount on the total cost of the box, and you get to apply the $20 styling fee, which makes for a really good deal. So we're gonna see what her stylist sent to her for her back to school fix. When you open up the box, you're gonna see that prepaid envelope. This envelope is used to ship back anything that you don't want, or if you need to make any exchanges, you'll put it back in here and send it back to Stitch Fix. Shipping is free both ways, which is really, really convenient. You're gonna see another envelope, and inside this envelope is your price invoice sheet, and this is fix number 13 for Ashlynn, lucky number 13. We usually get her boxes about every 2 to 3 months just to update her wardrobe as she grows and things like that. Also in the envelope is the card with the items that are going to be in the box and a note from the stylist. And your stylist is? Erica. She's had her the whole time. And it says, "Hi Ashlynn, how's your summer going so far? Do you have any fun plans coming up? Be sure to ask Mom to pass on your answers as she checks out so I know what to look for next time. Until then, I packed some more pieces to keep you comfy as you move and groove this summer. Stay fresh in this funny pineapple tee, mixing it with the yellow shorts for some cool pattern play. Then give the Skort trend a go with this floral style. Ooh. Just add the button-down top in one of your favorite colors for the girly vibe you love. I remember that you're a fan of unicorns too and picked out this nightgown to keep you cool as you dream. Enjoy, Erica."
I said I'm excited.
Okay. All right, she has 2 bundles. So which one do you want to start with?
Let's do this one.
This one first? All right, show your bundle. Ooh, pretty. Okay, go ahead.
Okay, so first we got this shoulder top.
This is, let me read the tag. This is Bixby Nomad, the cold shoulder tie front top in light blue. And it's a cute little cold shoulder top in a tie-dye print. Has a little knot detail on the bottom, which you really like shirts like that, don't you? All right, next.
Next, we have a little tank top.
Yeah, it looks like a little navy tank top. Let me see what it says.
Oh, there has like a little...
Oh, it has a little twist front right here, doesn't it? Okay, so this is by RUMI and RYDER, the twist front tank, and it says in dark green, but it kind of looks like a navy blue.
Yeah.
Okay, cute, stretchy, soft. This is a nightgown, isn't it?
Yes, and it came with a little sleeping mask.
A little sleep mask, which is
another
cute.
one.
All right, so this is by Dream Life, the Lena nightgown in light pink, and it has a unicorn on the front.
A little sleeping mask.
And a little sleep mask, which I think you're really excited about. You could always use another nightgown, couldn't you? And it says, "Out of this universe." Ooh, that's a dress.
Ooh, pretty dress.
Let me read the tag. It says, "Stella and Sienna, the Medea knit maxi dress in white." So it's a white maxi dress with a red, pink, and kind of like a blue floral print. It has a stretchy elastic at the waist. It has some slips at the side. So she loves maxi dresses, especially for church, don't you? Okay, that's cute. You got one more thing in that bundle?
Yes. Skort.
So this is the Skort. Let's see what it says. Chenault girl, the Jessanne faux wrapped woven Skort in navy, size 12. So we did size up in her sizes just to make sure that things were fitting okay. So hopefully everything will fit really nicely for her, but it's a really pretty floral skort.
I'm excited about this.
Very excited about that, aren't you?
Mm-hmm.
I like that. Cute. And it's got the little stretchy band on the back, so that'll be a nice little pull-up skort.
Yeah.
Like that. All right, let's look at this other bundle. Okay, show that bundle. Another good bundle.
Interesting colors. Ooh, I see the pineapple top.
Oh,
It's a
cute little pineapple top.
Pineapple top.
This is by Chit Chat, the Miley tie front graphic tee in light gray, and it says "Stay Fresh." That's cute. You like that?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. Very soft. It's got the little tie. You love the
Another-
tie.
This next one is really soft too.
Okay.
Here's the button-down shirt.
I bet you that would look really cute with that skort because that's the same color in the floral print.
Yeah.
So let me see what the tag says. It's by Crown of Hearts, the Salina tie front button-down waffle top in dark pink. That's really cute. It's got little buttons down the front. Are they real buttons? They are faux buttons. That's cute. And then it has like this waffle print. And it has a
Very
little
pretty.
tie at the bottom. Very cute. And that's going to go with that.
It's very soft too.
That skort.
And we got some comfy shorts.
Comfy shorts by Runway, the Smocked waist active knit pocket short in light blue.
I think I'm showing them the wrong way.
So they are these cute little comfy shorts with a nice little stretchy waistband. It's got pockets. I wonder if it'll go with that little tie-dye shirt. It's
Maybe.
cute. Okay.
Okay, next up. We got another pair of comfy shorts. Feel
Another
this.
pair of comfy shorts. Ooh, those are really soft.
Yeah.
By R&R, the brushed Dolphin short navy. Let's see. Never heard of that
So
brand.
soft. I can never stop touching
It
it.
says not intended for sleepwear. So those are cute. They're kind of got that little heathered look, and although it's coming off looking kind of black, it is navy. Don't you think?
Super duper soft.
Cute little tie, very soft. All right.
Next we have these little flower shorts.
I think this is the pair of shorts she was talking about going with the
Yeah.
pineapple tee. So this is by Bixby Nomad, the Smocked waist knit short in mustard. And you have a pair of black shorts like this, don't you?
I think so.
Yeah, very stretchy little waistband, cute little floral print. So what do you think? Are you excited?
Yes.
All right, so we're gonna put some of these items together for outfits and we'll be right back with a try on. All right, we're back with the first two items, and on the top she has by Chit Chat, the Miley tie front graphic tee, and on the bottom she has by Bixby Nomad, the Smocked waist knit short. And so what do you think, Ashlynn?
I like it because it's really comfy and it's really cute.
Yeah, I think those two items she suggested putting together pair really well together. Looks cute.
I give this 2 thumbs up.
All right, we'll be back with the next outfit. All right, we're back with the next two items, and on the top she has by RUMI and RYDER the twist front tank, and on the bottom she has the brushed Dolphin short by R&R. And even though they're not the exact same navy, we think that the tank top matches the kind of like light heathered color in her shorts. So what do you think about this outfit, Ashlynn?
I like it for the same reasons as the other one. It's really comfy and it would be good for like lounging around the house.
And I feel like these sizes are fitting you pretty well and that you'll be able to wear them for a while. So what do you think?
I give it 2 thumbs up.
All right, we'll be on to the next outfit. All right, the next outfit, she has on the top the Bixby Nomad, the cold shoulder tie front top, and on the bottom she has by Runway, the active Dolphin short. And these two items pair really well together. Another comfortable outfit.
Yes.
What do you like about this one?
I like that the shorts have pockets
Mm-hmm.
and this shirt's really comfy and really soft.
Yes, and you like the cold shoulder tops, don't you? And tie-dye.
Mm-hmm.
Very cute. 2 thumbs up?
Yes, 2 thumbs up. Maybe 3.
We'll be right back. All right, we're back with the nightgown, and this is by Dream Life, the Lena nightgown. And Ashlynn, you do like unicorns, don't you?
Yes.
She actually uses a sleep mask, so that'll be nice to have.
Very nice.
All right. Do you like it?
Yeah.
Fits really nice. All right, we are gonna try on the dress next. Be right back. All right, so we have the dress, and it's by Stella and Sienna. This is the Medea knit maxi dress, and it's really cute. It's got a white background with red and pink and blue floral print. It does come up kind of high on the neckline. Got an elastic waist right here, and it does have some little slips on the side. So what do you think about that dress?
I like it. It's really cute, and I like how like it goes around my neck like this. I've never had a dress that does this.
Yeah.
That I know of.
That's really cute. Perfect for church, huh?
And also I like the slits.
If you have to dress up for something, it'd be really cute.
Yeah.
All right, we're gonna try on the Skort, which is the last outfit, right?
Mhm. Here is the last outfit.
And so on the top, she has the Crown of Hearts Salina tie front button down waffle top. And on the bottom, she has by Chenault Girl, the Jessanne faux wrap woven Skort. And what do you think, Ashlynn?
I like the Skort. It's really pretty.
Yeah, it has, this top matches the floral print perfectly, doesn't it?
Yeah.
And the top's really soft and comfortable. Is that gonna be your first day of school outfit?
Yes.
All right, so I'm gonna be right back to do a recap and to talk about some prices. All right, let's talk about some prices real quick. This was a great back to school fix for Ashlynn, and the prices are fantastic for the kids fixes. And so let's start with this Bixby Nomad, the cold shoulder tie front top in light blue, although it's kind of like a mint green, and the cost of the top is $16. Next was the dress by Stella and Sienna, the Medea knit maxi dress in white, and this is the most expensive item at $28, and she loved that. Next are these shorts by Runway, the Smocked waist active knit pocket shorts, and it says in light blue, but again it's like a mint green almost. And these are $18, and they're super soft, and she liked the pockets in them. Next was by Chit, the Miley tie front graphic tee with the pineapple, light gray, and this is $14. Next is the RUMI and RYDER, the brushed Dolphin short in navy, and these are $16, and these are super soft, and they have the pockets, and so she liked that. Next, the Chenault Girl, the Jessanne faux wrap woven knit skirt in navy is $24, and this was probably her favorite item out of her fix. Next, by Dream Life, the Lena nightgown, and this is $24, but it did come with a little eye mask, and she really liked that. She can always use a nightgown. Next, by Crown of Hearts, the Salina tie front button down top in dark pink, and this is $18. Really soft, and it went well with that little Skort. Next, by RUMI and RYDER, the twist front tank, and it says dark green. I guess it does have a hint of green, but it almost looks navy to me. And we paired it with those navy shorts, and we thought that went well together. And this top is $14. And last but not least was by RUMI and RYDER, the Smocked waist knit short in mustard, and this was $16. Cute. Everything was really soft and comfortable and stylish and cute, just right up her alley. And so the stylist pick subtotal was $188, but like I said, if you keep all the items, you get a 25% discount, and that would take off $47, which gives her an order subtotal of $141. But then we pay that $20 styling fee, so we get to take that back off. So the total cost of this box is $121 for all 10 items. That's about $12 per item, and I think that's very reasonable. Everything seems to fit really well, so I think we're gonna be keeping everything. So you guys tell me what you think about Ashlynn's fix. I thought it was really cute. Stitch Fix just really has some cute items for little girls. If you like videos like this, don't forget to give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. I do unboxings for myself, my husband, and Ashlynn. And so if you're into that kind of thing, then we'd love to have you here. So don't forget to let us know what you thought about Ashlynn's back to school fix. Until next time, bye guys.